Okay, we have no green TX lights. Hello, audio, but it does have transmit. And it's on the right frequency, so it's not a band select knob. Woo, audio, hey, hey, hey. But this is what I found. Right in this area, there's a burnt trace here. And there's another burnt trace here. Now the voltage switching for the receive is over in this area. So that's probably lost the ground for that circuitry. Okay, I went ahead and put a couple little jumper wires across the burnt traces. And let's see what happens. Hey, look at that. We actually got receive and we got a green light. So the real question is how did positive voltage get to this trace over here, the ground trace, and burn up those two traces? And I don't really know the answer to that. I'll have to look it over with a fine-tooth comb and see if I see any logical explanations. Somebody did resolder that one, but I've looked at it and they're not touching.
Yeah, the radio's working. Ooh, the only problem is, look at that. It's hitting 6 amps on that meter.
It's about a 16 watt dead key, 15 watt dead key. A little bit too high in my book. Well, we readjusted, sprayed some lube on the control too. Readjusted the dead key and readjusted the bias on the finals. Now we've got it somewhere around a 5 to 6 watt dead key, about 6 watt dead key. And it's only drawing a little bit over 4 amps now, which is a lot better. Of course, there is already at least an amp and a half draw on the circuit. But that should be a lot better, a lot safer.
Hello. Hello. Woo. Hello, audio. Hey, 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 hey. Woo, audio.
Okay, let's try the power output. Still around a 5.5 watt dead key all the way up.
Woo, audio. Doing real nice on the swing. Woo, audio. Hello, audio.